Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to give you an overview of the February draft agenda for our Faculty Council meeting on February 8th at East Campus from 2 to 5 p.m. You also have a link there that you can check out all of the links from the agenda in this email. So we're going to start off with some hello, how are yous. Remember, all of your Faculty Council members are here if you need to contact any one of them. We have a what's going on link, and here I put some activities that are going on. I'd like to visit all campuses and bring some coffee and donuts to have some engagement, but if there's an activity that you're having on your campus and you'd like to invite me, I will try to be there and bring some coffee and donuts. It is Black History Month, and there's a lot of activities going on, so click on the link here. We have a nationally recognized speaker that is coming, information here. VALIC sessions are going on, information here. There's a spring job fair for students, so please spread the word. Also, the Valencia College Safety app, I'll talk a little bit more about this later, but there's information here, make sure you get it. And there's a counseling spring newsletter. This month I'm going ahead and put my January schedule, basically the meetings I went to, some links of agendas and stuff, so you kind of get an idea of the meetings I'm going to and what's going on at Valencia College. If you have any questions about any of this, please let me know, and also if you found this helpful. I have the January 2018 agenda, so you can go back and check that out. Wonderful information again to check out. And also remember, if you ever feel unsafe, please contact security directly, and you can also contact Mike Favorite. Here's his office number and cell phone number. Then you have an update for in fall 2017. Thank you for those that volunteered and helped out. Here's some information on the work teams that we started and some links and some things going on, so I want to update you on that. And then again, the Valencia College Safety app, I already have it on my phone up and running, so please make sure you get it. It's very important. All information is on this link. It's very important. Check it out, and if you have any questions, please let me know, but get that on your phone and tell everyone else too. We're also going to assess on how the Faculty Council is doing. So if you click on the link here, it's a short survey. Remember, the two primary goals of Faculty Council is to be the official voice of faculty and to be students of faculty engagement. So we want your feedback, so please let us know how we can improve. We're also collecting some information at the council because we received some dry erase crayons to see it as an alternative to markers. So we gave some feedback here, but that's more for the council members, but just to give you a heads up. We need your help. We've had some requests for faculty, and they're all here. You will nominate yourself through one of the forms. When you click on a form, you can put your name and nominate yourself. All the details are here as well for every single one. But we need someone to step up to be Vice President of Faculty Association. Remember, you're Vice President for a year, then President, and then past President. So all the information's here. We're looking for college-wide student activity fee budget committee members, endowed chair selection committee members, Faculty Association Awards Selection Committee members, grievance committee members, commencement faculty marshals, faculty data analysis, if anybody's interested in that, college-wide ombuds representative, information here, and members for the Faculty Compensation Advisory. The plan is that you nominate yourself, and at our March 8th meeting, we'll select members and I'll let you know. Then we're going to vote to endorse or not endorse the ethical conduct and performance policy. I've talked about this for a couple months now. The policy here, the changes, what got us here, all information's here. I've asked that the council members bring it back to their Senate assemblies, and then now we're going to vote to endorse or not endorse. The plan is to bring it to the board in February. That's the plan right now. There's been a proposal for final exam. Traditionally, during final exam week, you have a 2.5-hour block. This proposal is asking, what if we change that to just having normal class that week times? So for example, if you teach a Monday, Wednesday, the finals week, you would teach Monday and Wednesday. You can hold your final on Monday and Wednesday, or prepare Monday and have the final on Wednesday, but instead of the 2.5-hour block, you'd have your classes, let's say they're an hour and 15 minutes each. But it's a proposal just for discussion right now. Please send me your feedback or talk to your council representatives. Then we're going to have a presentation for the teaching and learning update from Wendy Dew. Lisa Shelfeffer is going to talk about The Rock. They've worked really hard on it. This will be the most updated version based on all your feedback, and we're going to go ahead and share that. We're going to talk about the Academic Integrity Plagiarism Prevention Tool for Canvas with Val Waldman and Jeannie Wright. And then we're going to get a Canvas update from Jeannie Wright and Josh Murdoch. And then we're going to have a conversation on international students with Joe Batista and Lisa Eli. Basically, international students, if you withdraw or fail them, what are the implications for them? So it's really important to learn about our international students. John Slott is going to give us an OIT report, which you can link here. And then we're going to go around and see how the Campus Senate assemblies are doing, if there's things we can do to help, and if anything's come up to us that we need to address. We're going to talk about engagement ideas. And then our next meeting is March 8th from 2 to 5 p.m. at the beautiful Lake Nona campus. Remember, if you have any questions or any information, please don't hesitate to contact me, and thank you for everything you do.